Hey guys, welcome back to DMAC Customs on YouTube. Dave here, in the garage at my place, but in about 2 secs we're going to be in my buddy Neil's garage at his place. I'm going to give him a hand to do some, paint some panels and stuff and do a bit of airbrushing for him on his firewall, on one of his projects. Yeah, to be fair, he thinks I know more about this stuff than I actually do, but don't tell Neil that I just kind of make it up as I go along. But yeah, anyway, we're gonna go and do some little bit of painting and masking and some sanding and stuff, and give him a hand to move forward on his project. So let's get out there right now.
Have a conversation.
On Neil's garage, we're doing some work on his 59 Apache. Some little paneling and stuff on the firewall, so let's get at it. Okay, so we've already been in and given these panels a bit of a wet sand and that, just to sort of flatten them off a bit, and getting ready to start masking, I guess, next, and yeah, we'll take it from there. All masked up, ready to go, I think. And what we're going to do now, mix up some paint. The test panel come up mint. Okay, so all jokes aside, we sprayed out this test thing here and it kind of fizzed up and reacted with the same white that's on the firewall, but we think it's because this didn't have any primer or any sort of prep, sanding prep and stuff, so, but we're still being careful with how much and how fast we put it on the firewall, just in case it does some reacting and weirdness. and then 111. That don't look right.
Doesn't look.
No. what I'm doing. Like that, eh? How are we going to put this in there? Just shake it in. I think that's enough.
Looks like a miso. You might only have to dust that on there.
It looks like a lot in there when you run it off the knife. It does spread out a bit, so we'll see if it's spread out. I might still get some on here, right?
It's a pretty cool colour. Certainly got the sparkles there in the colour.
Alrighty, so this is all unmasked, still soft as, and got some runs in the last couple of coats of clear, but that's how we roll at DMAC Customs. But here it is, sparkles, clear, stuff like that. So pretty much done for now. Alright guys, that's it for this video on painting some panels and airbrushing some fans on the old 59 Apache Firewall. Mistakes were made, like, I'll be honest. Primarily don't really know much about 2K paint systems that well, sort of thing, so I think I have figured out today I maybe need to treat them a little bit more like the old enamel systems, where you kind of don't want to like pour on too much clear in one shot, because I got it a little bit heavy and got a couple of sags in the clear, but it's only paint. We can cut it out, polish it up, it'll be all good, but we'll leave all that to settle right down. We've got a little bit more work to do on that firewall and the inner fenders at a later date, probably in a month or so maybe, and just to help my buddy move ahead on his project. He's been working on that Apache, and among other, he's got about 20 projects at any one time. But yeah, so he just sort of needed to get that done so he can put all his intake and all that sort of stuff back on his engine, which is a L98 6 litre LS fan lead engine, and 6-speed manual and some stuff like that. Yeah, but it's coming along, so it's looking good. And yeah, so a little bit different for this video for the old DMAC customs on the YouTube, but not in my own garage, but in Neil's garage instead. And yeah, if you kind of like this video and you know, just subscribe if you haven't done that already, that'd be awesome. And like, share, comment, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. And till next time, take it easy and peace.